Halloween. A time when people's worst fears are realized. A time when all evil spirits are unleashed. Ghosts, goblins, werewolves. No, my friends, it's much worse. There are evils so vile that we put them away so they will be forever forgotten. But what if someone were to release them, the evils that are living, in your refrigerator? The refrigerator, a place of mystery, danger, and leftovers. It is said that what goes in there may never come out. I plan to open these unidentified containers in the back of the fridge, but I'm taking you with me. God help us. As I bravely approach the refrigerator, I start to think this might not be as bad as I had feared. At least it's a nice day. But then I get to wondering about all of those foods that I have forgotten. They could still be in there, haunting the fridge.
I don't like this. It's dark and creepy.
I'm brave. After all, what's there to be afraid of?
Mostly lions and tigers and bears.
I decided to ask a professor of biology to find out for sure. Shelley Mahalski.
Probably the main concern is salmonella, which you would find in food products with raw eggs or in raw chicken. So if you have raw chicken in your fridge and the juice is leaking in your refrigerator, you could definitely have salmonella growing in there. There's also a concern with raw cheeses because they can contain listeria, which is another bacterium that causes bleeding diarrhea. And also, raw pork can contain nematodes or worms that are called trichinella, and if one would eat raw pork, the worms could burrow out of the digestive tract and into your muscles, causing a lot of pain.
Well, I'm not scared. So I open the fridge. Salmonella and listeria and trichinella. If I only knew what had become of my foods, or what my foods had become. But why do we save food that we know we will never eat? Perhaps our refrigerator leftovers are subconscious sacrifices to the fridge gods, but not all this stuff could be mine. So I asked my roommates about some of the things I found. I read that you can safely refrigerate leftovers for about a day or two, so some of it could still be good, right?
I don't really know how long it's been in there. I don't even know what it is.
Maybe a month or two? But I think it's starting to smell.
I would clean it out, but I just don't want to touch it.
It's probably still good.
It's not mine.
I don't want it.
You can have it.
I guess that means it's all mine. But could it still be good? Well, there is only one way to find out.
What is it? Oh, Jesus,
Salmonella and listeria and trichinella. It's still good, but I think I'm gonna save it for later. For now, fear this. I think I'm gonna throw up.